Beneath the waves, a silent war is always being fought. It is a conflict hidden from the world above, waged in the crushing darkness of the deep ocean. Here, steel leviathans stalk one another. They hunt with sound, listening for the faintest whisper of a rival's machinery or the subtle disturbance of water against a hull. This is a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, where the first to be detected is often the first to be destroyed. The future of naval power depends on winning this unseen battle. Nations pour billions into creating submarines that are ghosts in the water, able to strike without warning and vanish without a trace. The stakes in this underwater chess match are rising higher than ever before. New technologies are changing the rules of engagement, making the ocean more transparent and more dangerous. Advanced sonar systems can hear further and with greater clarity, while sophisticated computer networks share information in an instant. This means that older submarines, once considered the pinnacle of stealth, are becoming increasingly vulnerable. To survive and to dominate, navies must adapt. They must build a new generation of submarines designed not just for the challenges of today, but for the unforgiving environment of tomorrow. These new vessels represent a leap forward in naval engineering and strategic thinking. This new era of undersea warfare is defined by the arrival of two formidable hunters. From the United States comes the vision of the SSNX, a next-generation attack submarine designed to be the ultimate apex predator. It is a vessel born from decades of experience, combining the best features of its predecessors with revolutionary new capabilities. On the other side is Russia's Yasen-Class submarine, a vessel already patrolling the depths and earning the fearful respect of NATO commanders. The Yasen is a testament to Russia's renewed naval ambitions, a powerful and quiet predator that has already proven its worth on the global stage. The clash between these two submarine philosophies will shape the strategic landscape for decades to come. It is a competition not just of technology, but of industrial capacity, national will, and strategic foresight. The development and deployment of these submarines are about more than just naval tactics. They are about projecting power across the globe. They are about ensuring that a nation can protect its interests, deter its adversaries, and control the vital sea lanes that connect the world. The silent battle beneath the waves is entering its most critical phase, with the world's superpowers placing their bets on these incredible machines. The SSNX is the United States Navy's ambitious answer to the growing threats in the deep. It is not just an upgrade, it is a fundamental rethinking of what an attack submarine should be. The primary goal is to create a vessel that can operate undetected in the most hostile waters, outmatching any potential adversary. To achieve this, engineers are focusing on unprecedented levels of stealth. The SSNX will feature a radically new propulsion system, designed to be whisper-quiet even at high speeds. This, combined with advanced hull coatings that absorb sound waves, will make the submarine incredibly difficult for enemy sonar to find. It aims to be a true ghost in the machine. Speed is another critical element of the SSNX design. Drawing inspiration from the legendary Seawolf class, which was known for its incredible velocity, the SSNX is expected to be significantly faster than the current Virginia-class submarines. This speed is not just for chasing down enemies, it is a strategic advantage. It allows the submarine to rapidly redeploy across vast ocean basins, respond to crises, or escape from a dangerous situation. Being able to get to the fight faster or leave it quicker gives its commander more options and a greater chance of survival. This combination of speed and stealth is designed to make it the ultimate underwater hunter. Firepower is where the SSNX truly intends to assert its dominance. The United States Navy plans for it to carry a much larger and more diverse arsenal than any of its predecessors. This includes a greater number of torpedo tubes and a larger inventory of torpedoes for close-quarters combat. Furthermore, it will be equipped with expanded vertical launch systems, allowing it to carry a formidable payload of cruise missiles to strike targets on land or at sea from hundreds of miles away. The design also includes the ability to deploy a new generation of unmanned underwater vehicles, essentially robotic drones that can extend the submarine's reach for reconnaissance or attack. At the heart of this apex predator will be its brain, a highly advanced combat system powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This smart computer will process vast amounts of data from its state-of-the-art sonar arrays and other sensors, presenting the crew with a clear picture of the battlefield. It will help identify and prioritize threats, suggest tactical maneuvers, and manage the complex weapons systems. This integration of AI is meant to reduce the cognitive load on the crew, allowing them to make faster, better decisions in the heat of battle. The SSNX is being designed not just to be a powerful platform, but an intelligent one. While the SSNX is still a concept on the drawing board, Russia has already deployed its own powerful contender, the Yasen-Class submarine. These vessels, known in Russia as Project 885M, are a source of major concern for Western naval planners. NATO commanders openly acknowledge the Yasen's impressive capabilities, often describing it as the most advanced and formidable Russian submarine to enter service since the end of the Cold War. The lead boat, Severodvinsk, and its improved successors like the Kazan, have demonstrated a level of stealth that rivals some of the best submarines currently in the United States fleet. This makes them exceptionally difficult to track. The respect for the Yasen-class comes from its potent combination of stealth, speed, and firepower. Russian designers made significant advances in sound-quieting technology, incorporating a hybrid hull made of low magnetic steel and mounting its machinery on rubber sound-dampening rafts. Its nuclear reactor is designed for quiet operation, allowing the Yasen to creep through the ocean undetected. This stealth is complemented by a powerful propulsion system that enables it to reach high speeds when needed, allowing it to either hunt down targets or make a swift escape. The Yasen is a balanced and dangerous adversary, capable of performing a wide range of missions. The weapon systems aboard the Yasen are what make it a particularly versatile and dangerous threat. It is armed with a formidable array of torpedoes for engaging other submarines and surface ships. However, its true strength lies in its vertical launch tubes, which can fire a wide variety of cruise missiles. These include the Kaliber land attack missile, which has been used in conflicts, and the Onyx anti-ship missile. There are also reports that it will eventually carry the Zircon hypersonic missile, a weapon that travels so fast it would be nearly impossible for current defense systems to intercept. This ability to strike targets on land and at sea from a submerged hidden platform gives Russia significant strategic leverage. Naval experts view the Yasen-class as a clear signal of Russia's intent to challenge Western naval supremacy. It represents a significant leap in Russian submarine technology, closing the gap that had existed for many years. Unlike some previous Russian designs that prioritized one capability, like speed over others, the Yasen is a well-rounded platform. It is a multi-purpose submarine capable of hunting other subs, attacking carrier strike groups, and launching precision strikes against land targets. Its presence in the Atlantic and Pacific forces NATO to dedicate significant resources to tracking it, a clear sign of the respect it commands in naval circles. The race to rule the deep ocean is fraught with immense challenges, particularly for the United States and its SSNX program. While the submarine promises revolutionary capabilities, it faces a difficult path to reality. The program has already been hit with significant delays. Initially planned for the early 2030s, the acquisition of the first boat has now been pushed back to 2040. This delay creates a potential capability gap, a dangerous period where the United States Navy's existing submarines age, while adversaries like Russia continue to build and refine their Yasen-class fleet. Time is not on the side of the United States in this undersea competition. These delays are compounded by staggering costs. Each SSNX submarine is projected to cost between $6.7 and $8 billion, nearly double the price of a Virginia-class submarine. This enormous expense puts immense pressure on the defense budget and raises questions about how many of these apex predators the Navy can realistically afford to build. As top Navy official Brett A. Seidel noted in July 2025, costs are rising faster than inflation, and schedules on multiple programs are delayed 1 to 3 years. This financial strain is a significant hurdle that must be overcome to bring the SSNX from blueprint to blue water. Furthermore, the American industrial base is already stretched to its limits. The two shipyards capable of building nuclear submarines are struggling to keep up with existing orders for Virginia-class and the top-priority Columbia-class ballistic missile submarines. They are currently producing just over one attack submarine per year, well below the rate needed to maintain the fleet, let alone start a complex new program. Experts worry that the workforce and supply chains are not ready for the immense task of building the SSNX without causing further delays to other critical naval projects. This industrial bottleneck is perhaps the greatest threat to America's undersea future. This brings us to the ultimate question that will define naval power in the coming decades. Who will control the seas by 2050? Will it be the United States with its technologically ambitious but delayed and costly SSNX? Or will it be Russia, whose formidable Yasen-Class is already operational and challenging the status quo? The answer will depend on whether the United States can overcome its industrial and budgetary hurdles to field its next-generation hunter in sufficient numbers. The silent battle for the future is underway, and the nation that masters the depths will hold a decisive advantage in the global balance of power.